Ba Pastun Tensong Sembul Mitrang Ba Kajala Megalia Badekmi Yaktanat Piludi Roads Uloong Bah Kajingkain Kulum Kajingjulor ki surok Kaleng Kajala Nakadaw Kajingwan lynshop ki bor mariang hakitio baladep kalapoi syaka sispa andrupusan klur tingkah. Uloong Bah Kakanhun na Delhi kalawan sesilong bat kan lech ki jaka ban jurep bat kenya ka jingshah pynjulor nalor ki wipat ki benta ki basakta na kajingwan lynshop ki bor mariang.
Well, from the polluted side, I think we have estimated not less than 165 crores the damages that has happened. So we have already submitted all the details, all the documents to Revenue Department, and then again a team of ministerial team from Delhi. Today they reach Shillong. Then tomorrow and day after tomorrow they will go to the spot to see the damages that has happened, be it the landslide, be it the road which was totally broken, or be it the agricultural land which is full of water, and be it the houses of of our people over there which was washed away, and even those who have lost their precious life. I don't know exactly, because see, that too, we leave it to their wisdom. But they are reaching today, and then tomorrow, day after tomorrow, they will undertake spot inspection. Well, the numbers I don't have right now, but of course we have already submitted all the details, inch by inch, to the Revenue Department. We have already submitted everything, be it in Garo Hills, be it in Khas Hills, be it in Chanja Hills, and be it in Riboy District.